Good work, Chowder. And to complete the dish, all we need to do is to add some ground pepper. That was close. Thank you, Chowder. That would have ruined the dish.
Wow, this spice sure is powdery.